Ready for pina colada? I've had a lot of pina coladas in my day, but my absolute favorite was the one that we had in Cuba. It was called the Anti-Stress. This particular pina colada, it had a bunch of herbs like basil and 2 different kinds of mint, and it had spices like star anise and cinnamon, and it was so, so good. We're gonna try and recreate it today. Ready? So first we need to make our infused simple syrup. So inside we're going to add our basil and then some mint and then our lemongrass. And now we're going to add some sugar. We have 1/2 cup. Dump it right in. And now we are going to muddle it up first before we add the water, because we really want to start to break down those herbs and start to release that flavor. And then the star anise and 4 cinnamon sticks. Okie dokie, so this is looking really good. It's been simmering for about 10 minutes. And now let's take it off the heat, let it steep some more for about an hour before we stick it in the fridge to cool down completely. Here is our infused simple syrup. We're gonna strain it out and start to build our pina colada. No flavor left behind. Ding! The secret to really flavorful pina colada is to not use so much ice that it dilutes the flavor. So instead, we're going to stick everything in the freezer. Starting with our pineapple. Whoop, whoop. Now we have some lime juice, our syrup. Boom. And lastly, what makes a pina colada, the coconut cream. Make sure you're using unsweetened coconut cream because we're gonna be sweetening ours with our infused simple syrup. Give it a quick little stir, and then we're gonna stick this in the freezer for about an hour. Whoa! And we're going to add it right into our blender. Okay, and next comes the most important part. Oh! Cut! Oh, you. Okie dokie, last in goes our ice. And now let's blend it.
You like pina coladas?
Oh, all right, so let us pour. All right, what makes this one a little special is like the spices and things, so let's stick a cute little cinnamon stick on it. Remember when I said I wouldn't need the cinnamon? I lied. Yeah, that's cute. You can taste the coconut and the pineapple like a normal pina colada, but then there's that twist, that hint of the cinnamon and the herbs. It's so good. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make enough to share, and cheers to summer. Yes. Anti-stress. We're done.
If you like pina coladas, getting caught in the rain. If you're not into yoga, if you have half a